Arboreals and More invited us to a reptile expo, and here are some cool animals we saw there. First things first, we found an axolotl booth, and they also had some tarantula things. Those are two animals that we've really been wanting, so that was cool to see. Now the next animal I'm gonna show you may look like a snake, but it's actually a lizard. It's called a legless lizard. Unlike snakes, legless lizards blink and close their eyes while they sleep. The next booth we went to had a ton of creepy crawlies, and I do want to get a tarantula. There's just a lot I want to learn before getting one. And this has to be the biggest Kenyan samboa I have ever seen. I guess I'm just used to seeing them when they're really small. And there was a booth for Burmese pythons, but I was doing so much talking I didn't get too many videos. This is a Redfoot tortoise, and funny enough, I used to do education events with these tortoises back in Florida when I worked at Gatorland. Red-footed tortoises are a lifelong commitment, often living over 50 years, and with habitat loss threatening their wild populations, responsible care and conservation awareness are more important than ever. The sheer number of ball pythons at every reptile expo is overwhelming. They're already in well-established species in captivity, so it's worth asking why so many are still being bred when so many go unsold or rehomed. And the same goes with leopard geckos. We recently took in 11 unwanted geckos, and they all need loving forever homes. Veiled chameleons are often sold at expos when they're still too young to thrive. These sensitive reptiles require experienced care, and hatchlings shouldn't be sold before they're stable and well started. Take it from someone who bought a veiled chameleon that was way too young from an inexperienced breeder. It's important to note not all bearded dragons at expos are healthy. Look out for signs of inbreeding like underbites and kinked tails. Ask about their lineage before buying. And we found a gargoyle gecko for $600. A tokay gecko with a price point of $50 indicates that it's often wild caught, highly defensive, and stressed. Tokays need patience, experience, and proper quarantine. Don't buy them on an impulse. Thanks for tagging along with us at the expo. Follow along if you love content like this.